Hi friends, how are you? Today we will make a super text effect in Inkscape. This is very useful for beginners. First write your text and increase the size. Now we have to convert it to path. Go to path and click on convert it to path. Now we have to ungroup it. After ungrouping these, select all these and go to path and click on union. Now we have a single object. Now go to extension and use this extension motion. Click on motion and use this setting. Before applying, see the live preview. Apply it. Now select all these and ungroup it. Select only these part and change the color. So we can see our text. Now select the black one and again ungroup it. Now we have to choose some parts of black object and we have to color it. Select these and change the color. We have to delete some unwanted object. Select this object from behind and delete it. This is also unwanted object. These objects are from back. Now select this one and change the color. Now select it carefully and change the color. Now we have to select only these two and click on union. Now apply the same trick. Select these, change the color. We can delete it. We don't need this object, so we have to delete it. Select the black one. Change the color. Click on union. Select this object and click on union. We have to do it carefully. Again select these two and click on union. Change the color of this object. Now select some object from here and click on union. Select these two and click on union. Zoom in this area and select the black object and change the color. Now select this one and delete it. Here is also some black object and click on union. delete this unwanted object. Now select the black objects from here and click on union. Change the color so we can see clearly. Select all these and click on union. Now select object from here and click on union. Now we can delete select only the black object carefully and click on union. Delete these unwanted object. Send it to bottom. Change the color. Select the only black object from here. Change the color. Now go to object and send it to bottom. Now select object from here and change the color. Delete some object from behind. Change the color. Select the only black and delete it. Delete the object. Change the color of this object. Now select the only black object like this. Here is some black object. We have to select it carefully and select with this orange color and click on union. Now select the black object carefully and change the color. Click on union. Delete this. Now select the only this object and send it to bottom. Send it to bottom. Select only this. Click on raise to top. Now select the text and click again raise to top. Now select only these object. Now create a rectangle. Convert it to path and duplicate it. reduce the size, again duplicate, select all these, and scale these object and go to path and click on union. Select only these two nodes and drag to bottom. Now create a rectangle for background purpose. Use any light shade, send it to bottom, and we have to lock it, lock the background. Now select the text and change the color. Now select the all object excluding yellow one and change the color. Now select all object and apply outline on these objects. Go to outline setting and choose the outline style. Reduce the size of this object. Now select this object and select with this black object, go to path and click on intersection. So we have a object like this. Now we have to edit this object by node edit tool. After break apart, modify this object. Select the nodes and drag to bottom. Now select only these two nodes and drag it to bottom. Select the bottom nodes and drag to bottom. Select these three objects and click on union. delete this object and we have to modify here. Select this object and change the color. Delete this one, sorry, duplicate this one and snap it here. Now again duplicate this one and snap like this. Change the color and snap this object here. Duplicate this. First we have to modify the black object for as text. Here we need some modification. Select this object, select the black one and modify it like this. Now duplicate the pink object and select it with black and click on intersection. Now select the yellow text and click on raise to top. So friends, we have created our super text logo. I know you can make better than me. Please support me and thank you for watching. Thank you again.